All 6 accused men in the murder of whistleblower Babita Deokaran have pleaded guilty to her 2021 murder. The state and defense entered a plea agreement this morning. It's believed the murder was a hit. She was killed after uncovering widespread corruption at Tembisa Hospital. Let's go to eNCA reporter Bafedile Moerane, who is in court for us following this story. Bafedile, just firstly, this plea agreement, what does it mean? No trial and straight to a sentence?
Essentially, that Masego, was no trial. Immediately after the agreement between the accused and the state at this matter, the judge actually handed down the judgment after that. So it's quite a long journey for the family of Babita Deokaran after being shot in 2020 August, and the family at this point in time saying that irrespective of the accused having to state that they feel remorseful following the agreement that was signed between themselves and the state, they are saying that this is a very sad situation for them, and they are not really accepting, they are rejecting whatever the accused are saying to them. So the first accused in this matter, who is Zita Hadebe, has been sentenced to 22 years for murder, and the second accused on the matter, Mr. Ndlovu, is sentenced to 6 years imprisonment, and then the third accused on the matter is sentenced to 22 years imprisonment. The fourth accused on the matter, who is Sipa Kanyiswa Dladla, is facing a number of charges, which including possession of illegal firearm and ammunition. So all in all, he got 15 years, which is 7 years for murder, and others he has been given 5 years and 6 years on those charges. So the accused number 6, he got 15 years imprisonment, while accused number 5 also got 6 years imprisonment on the murder charge. So let us listen to the judge earlier on when he was handing down the judgment there, Masego.
All right, we don't have that snippet at the moment, Bafedile, but we'll definitely air it for the viewers a little bit later on. And of course, a lot of questions on South Africans' minds, and especially Babita Deokaran's mind, is will these 6 tell the court who hired them to do this act?
Well, the most sad part at this point, and also the judge has highlighted it, having to say that at this point in time, there are some questions that are still lingering on the matter, because there is the person who they are named Mpunguse. This person is said to have ran, and at this point in time, is nowhere to be found. And it is understood that he is the person behind this murder. And then the family is saying, really, if this person is not brought to the book, what does this really mean? What does this really mean? Does it mean that this case is over, or what is happening? And the judge has said that it is unfortunate, and there's absolutely nothing that he can do at this point in time, in particular in relation to the name of the Mpunguse person who is said to have ran since the murder of Babita Deokaran, Masego.
All right. In fact, Bafedile, we have managed to find that little snippet that you wanted us to listen to of the judge handing down judgment. Let's quickly just have a listen to that.
And perpetrators should not expect any mercy from this court. Having said so, I now proceed to read out the agreed sentences in terms of the PSN's agreement. Accused number 1, Mr. Hadebe. In respect of count 1, you are sentenced to 22 years imprisonment.
Number 1, this court was about 22
Accused number 2, in respect of count 1, murder, you are sentenced to 6 years imprisonment.
Number 2, ucala lokubulala njengoba kuvunyelwe wena uzothola iminyaka o6 age 2.
Accused number 3, In respect of count 1 only, you are also sentenced to 22 years imprisonment.
Number 3 uzothola iminyaka eyishumi nambili 22 years jail.
Accused number 4, you have been convicted on 3 counts, being count 1, count 5, and count 6. In respect of count 1 for the murder, you are sentenced to 8 years imprisonment.
Mathatha amacala kulahlile wena number 4. Icala lokubulala wesihlanu lesi-2. Icala lokubulala uzothola iminyaka eyisishiyagalombili 8 years jail.
Counts 5 and 6, which is for the possession of the firearm and ammunition, have been taken together for purposes of sentence. You are sentenced to 7 years imprisonment.
Bese kuthiwa lamacala awu-5 isibhabu nalawu-6 yezinhlamvu azohlanganiswa for isigwebo bese uzothola iminyaka eyisikhombisa u-7 years jail.
Effectively, your sentence will be 15 years imprisonment.
Okuchaza ukuthi uma kuhlanganiswa lezo igwebo lezo uzodonsa iminyaka eyishumi nanhlanu 15 years jail.
Accused number 5, in respect of count 1, the murder of Babita, you are sentenced to 15 years in prison.
Wena number 5 ukubulala uBabita Deokaran isigwebo sakho uzaba iminyaka eyishumi nanhlanu 15 years jail.
Accused number 6, in respect of count 1, murder of Babita, I also sentenced to 15 years imprisonment.
Nawe number 6 ukubulala uBabita nawe iminyaka ozodonsa eyishumi nanhlanu 15 years jail.
Then I hope that you spend the time in prison, rehabilitating yourself and come back to the community.
Inkundla yakhona ukuthi nizoyiphatha kahle ejele njengoba nizokhona. Uma lapho niphuma ningamadoda aqondile igwegwe lizongena phakathi komphakathi.